Installing Cyberpunk 2077 and addressing lag spikes can enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth installation and performance. Step 1. Prepare your system. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Cyberpunk 2077. Check your CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage space to confirm compatibility. Step 2. Download the game. Purchase Cyberpunk 2077 from a reliable platform like Steam, GOG, or the Epic Games Store. Follow the prompts to download the game to your computer. Step 3. Install the game. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file and run it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the game on your preferred drive. Step 4. Update graphics drivers. Before launching the game, update your graphics drivers to the latest version. Visit the website of your GPU manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the updates. Step 5. Adjust in-game settings. Launch Cyberpunk 2077 and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings and adjust the resolution to improve performance and reduce lag spikes during gameplay. By following these steps, you can successfully install Cyberpunk 2077 and optimize your gaming experience. Enjoy your time in Night City.